Ever looked at your phone and wondered, can this thing actually pay my bills? If you've got FavePay, the answer is a resounding yes. But how, exactly, do you harness the power of this digital wallet to conquer the online world? Let's dive in. Imagine a world without cash. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's getting closer every day. And FavePay is your ticket to this cashless utopia. But let's be real, navigating a new payment system can be like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube. That's where we come in. First things first, let's make sure you're set up. You need the FavePay app, a fully charged phone, obviously, and a good internet connection. Think of it like your digital armor, you need all the pieces to be invincible. Now, let's talk about funding your FavePay wallet. It's like giving your digital piggy bank a little spending money. You can transfer cash from your bank account, use your debit card, or even cash in at selected agents. The options are as vast as your shopping list. Online shopping is where FavePay really shines. Picture this, you found the perfect pair of sneakers, a killer gadget, or maybe even that dream vacation. Instead of reaching for your card, you simply tap on the FavePay option. It's like having a personal shopper who pays for you. But wait, there's more. FavePay isn't just for shopping. You can pay bills, send money to friends, and even buy airtime and data. It's your one-stop shop for all things financial. Security is a big deal, right? FavePay understands that. Your money is as safe as it would be in a bank vault. With advanced encryption and fraud protection, you can shop with confidence. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, problems. What happens if your payment fails? Or if you accidentally send money to the wrong person? Don't panic. FavePay has a customer support team ready to rescue you. So, there you have it. FavePay is more than just a digital wallet, it's your financial sidekick. It's convenient, secure, and incredibly versatile. But remember, like any new tool, it takes a little practice. So, don't be afraid to experiment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending.